Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to convert TikTok video into MP3. So here's what are we going to do. So first, kindly go to your TikTok account. So let's say we are going to choose an MP4 or a video on TikTok, and we want that to convert into MP3. So let's say for example this one. So we want to use this. Okay. So in order for us to do that, you just need to click this the down side on the right side portion of the video here, the arrow one. Click that and then kindly click the copy link. Okay. Once you already copied the link, kindly go now to Google Chrome. Okay, here in Google Chrome, kindly search TikTok to MP3. Okay, and then after that, kindly choose this download TikTok MP3 online with free TikTok MP3 downloader. Click that, and then after that, kindly paste the link that you copy and then click download. After that, kindly click download MP3, and then after that, click open, and let's see if the video that we copy on TikTok is already converted into MP3. Let's play. Okay, so that's it. So we already convert the TikTok video into MP3.